Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Gurjar. I am a DM cardiologist and I practice at Jaipur Hospital, Nawanshahar. I thank Eternal Hospital and Metronics for giving me this opportunity to attend this 2-day TAVI workshop. First day we were given lectures by Dr. Amit and Dr. Dwivedi, and those lectures were treatise and they were very good. They showed us all the details and told us all the tips and tricks and all the practical points for the how to implant the aortic valve. Especially Dr. Amit, he was fabulous, and it was very closed door and closed kind of meeting, and we had all our queries were answered. The next day we had these 2 cases planned. In the morning we started at 8 and Dr. Sharma came, we had a heartbeat discussion, and I was really impressed by the way the best of the brains of the world gathered together and they did the planning, and like each and every step, the exercise, the potential complications, all were discussed and they had a backup plan for most of the things. In the morning we had a like there was while the device was deployed successfully, but while taking out there was a glitch in that, but they handled it pretty well too. The second case also they did pretty well. So both the cases were very different. One was calcified, the other was very fibrotic, but they managed it very well. So, and it was a great learning experience for me. I myself, after DM cardio, having a bit of experience of the United States, so I find Eternal Hospital to be very close to maintaining those standards, and I really think like it's a blessing because Jaipur is my hometown too, so I'm really amazed that the people of Jaipur can have this world-class facility at their doorsteps, and Dr. Sharma himself travels and gets time out of his busy schedule and supervises all the procedures. So yeah, overall it has been a good experience, and we were very well attended by the supporting staff. The food was good, the stay was good, and the transportation was good. So thank you very much.